This video is almost impossible to make, and the reason is because we woke up this morning to $25,000 in our GoFundMe account, and there's just no way to express the level of gratitude and relief that you feel when people come together and choose to bless you and support you and encourage you. And I'm not going to cry through this whole video. So this is our meager attempt at saying thank you, at just expressing, at least trying to express our thankfulness to you guys and your financial gifts. And not only the gifts, but the messages that we have received over the last 24 hours have been so encouraging. The people that have given their reasons why they've donated have been anything from they just wanted to bless us to they've been through this too, and they've been devastated by their homes being infiltrated with mold as well, or they have friends or they have family that have experienced this. And the donations range from a couple of dollars to $1,000, and I know that every one of you gave from the outpouring of your heart, and we just want to say thank you to you for that. I look funny because I'm trying not to cry, and I'm trying to smile at the same time. So our family is just so thankful, and this is the video that we're posting on the GoFundMe for the update, but a more thorough update video is going to be over on our YouTube channel if you'd like to go over there and see some more updates, not just financial ones, but some mold updates about what's going on.
We were talking this morning to our kids, and we're pretty open with our kids about a lot of things. And we were talking to them about the GoFundMe and about your generosity. And I want them, I have a strong desire for them to not take any of the blessings in our lives through our YouTube channel for granted. So we talk to them about this stuff all the time. I told them this morning, people just gave us, like 500 people, just gave us what many people in this country, one of the wealthiest countries in the world, make in a year. I don't want them to take that for granted for a minute, and we don't. Like, we are amazed, honestly amazed, like how fast that you all have gotten us nearly to the goal that we set on the GoFundMe. So thank you so much. I do want to say thank you to Alex and Simeon from Sweet Homestead for setting up the GoFundMe, and for encouraging us to do it. You know, because they had reached out to us a couple of weeks ago, and we had just said no, we're not doing a GoFundMe. And them, along with a few other friends, really took the time to just speak truth to us about receiving from people and asking for help when you need it. One thing that Alex and Simeon asked us to address in this video was that people have said, well, we don't want to donate on GoFundMe, we want to donate through PayPal, and that's fine. PayPal does take a small cut, and that's okay. If you want to do that, you can. And the PayPal account is artandbrievlog@gmail.com. That's the email address that's linked to it if you want to do that. So we're making this video just to say thank you so much. We're blown away. This is crazy and amazing. So thank you.
I definitely didn't expect this. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you so much.